Do you believe that you can catch bottom or buy at the starting point of the next short-term uptrend wave as long as you know how to count 1, 2, 3? Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Happy Investor. If you want to learn some practical technical stock trading skills, you can subscribe my channel. Okay, let's see the conditions of 1, 2, 3. Firstly, we need to identify the high price of previous wave and mark this candle as 0. Then after candle 0, price should hit a new low for 3 times. That is, the low price of candle 1 should be lower than candle 0. Candle 2 should be lower than candle 1. Candle 3 should be lower than candle 2. The last key point is that when is our entry point? Then we need to confirm with candle 3. If candle 3 is a young candle, then we can get in directly. But if candle 3 is a yin candle, then we still need to wait for a young candle to buy in. Why share for example? This candle is the high point. After this candle, price pull back. Then we mark this candle as 0. Then according to our criteria, this candle is lower than candle 0, so marked as 1. Then this candle is lower than candle 1, so marked as candle 2. Then this candle is lower than candle 2, so marked as candle 3. Then next day, it is a yin candle, so cannot buy yet. Need to wait for a yang candle. Then we can see next day, it is yang candle, which is our entry point. After that, we can see price go to the next short-term uptrend wave. So our buy point is the starting point of this short-term uptrend wave exactly. Then after 1 week short-term rising, price pull back again. So we can use the same method to find 0 first, then count 1, 2, 3. This time we can see candle 3, it is a young candle, so it is our buy point. Then we can just get in directly, which is also the starting point of the short-term uptrend wave. So we can catch the next uptrend wave easily. Okay, more details you can subscribe my channel to learn. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.